Hello guys, this video will show a very important technique when it comes to using retopology, especially with symmetry. So here I've got this main piece and I've got a bunch of pieces going around, and I'm going to perform a bunch of operations on it. So here I went ahead and did that, and I applied a bunch of subtraction and unit operations, and I went ahead and just put retopology on there and performed the default maneuver, and I got this. And so as you're noticing, it looks quite horrible and it takes a long time as well. So what's the trick, guys? What's the trick to making this look good? Well, here's what you do. First of all, instead of having all these pieces, you have only one side. So for example, only this, you can go ahead and copy this out. So whenever, guys, you're planning on doing something, always just kind of have one side, one area, and then you can use symmetry to multiply it everywhere else. So here's what I've got right here now. So I'll go ahead and run the pro boolean. I could back up this just in case. And I will union. And then I will subtract. Alright, but to make it even more efficient, guys, you can also apply a slice modifier. Let's go ahead and use radial, Y, and then for angle, I also need to rotate this. Let me see here. Well, I may need to choose a different one here. Alright, like something like this. And we can do 45. Or in this case, 22.5, which is half of that. Alright, guys, so now we're not even just having like just this one part. We're having half of this part, right? So now, guys, all we need to do is to retopologize this one area. And real quick, guys, if you are interested in modeling furniture, I have a new course on how to make a variety of objects from fancy leather couches to chairs and a whole lot more. Link is in the description. Alright, guys, now I'll run retopology. And you don't want to choose a value that's too low. So if you notice this kind of problem here, guys, this is a classic example of too low of a face count. Let's try 1,000. Now, as you notice, guys, we're now getting really good results. Alright. We can now go ahead and run a preset. Or we have high density here, so I think it's enough just to use this for now. But you can have a little bit of a crease set there as well. Let's go ahead and have a crease set. Alright, let's go ahead and run symmetry. Seven count. Let's also mirror symmetry. Let's see here. Oh yes, 8 count. There we go, guys. Sometimes we may need to go ahead and have this be a little bit centered here. So make this planar on the x-axis. Move it to 0. And then, guys, open subdiv. And as you guys are noticing, we now get a very nice, clean result. So, guys, this is a very handy trick to mastering retopology. It's just to work on one little section at a time. Thank you for watching and take care.